Welcome to Food Fanatix. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make date pudding. Soak 1 kg of dates overnight. Beat 115 grams of unsalted butter. Add 115 grams of caster sugar in portions. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Add 2 eggs, one at a time, and beat after each addition. Sieve in 115 grams of self-raising flour, 1 tablespoon milk powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Fold in the flour. Add the batter in a 9 by 13 greased dish and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Remove the seeds from the dates. Heat 1 tablespoon oil. Add the dates. Mix continuously and cook until the water dries. For the custard, you need 1 cup of milk. Add 4 tablespoons custard powder and mix well. Boil 1 liter of milk. Add 1 cup sugar. Add the custard mixture and stir continuously. If the custard is not thick, you can add a bit more of the custard mixture. Once cool, add 1/4 cup of fresh cream and mix well. This gives the custard a creamy texture. Evenly spread out the dates. You can add chopped walnuts. Add the custard and spread out evenly. Cover and place in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. Once chilled, add 2 cups of lightly beaten fresh cream. And spread out evenly. Place in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours or until the fresh cream is set. Do try out the recipe. Thanks for watching.